Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Hobonichi cousin for the week of July 25th, and I'm going to be using this pool party cousin kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. I've already used a few of the stickers, including the bottom washi, but I have lots of stickers left, and then I also picked up this pool party deco sheet, which is so cute. And I also grabbed some washi, so we'll see how it goes. And sorry for the music in the background. My son has music playing, so we'll just roll with it. But I also grabbed this my Tombow because I thought maybe I could use this to mark out my work days, so we'll see how it goes. Hope everybody had a nice week. Today's actually Saturday. I'm working tomorrow and Monday, so I wanted to get this plan with me done so I could have my planner ready to go for next week. I think I might use this washi. I don't think I have that much left, but I think I'm gonna just kind of like put it here. It's kind of a greenish yellow. It brings out some color. I mean, for this I really could just use the headers that come with the kit, but we'll use that washi. I think I'm gonna put this at the bottom, and then if I want I can change it. I think I'm gonna totally change my mind and not use this blue, but we'll see. Okay, I have to use Simon. He's adorable. And to put him here. But I'm trying to think of how to give Simon a little bit of a background. There. Cutie pie. That's so cute. I love the snorkel. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna be working Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thank you. And see what is happening. My son is working on Tuesday, and then we have he has a dentist appointment. So I'm gonna pull this up a pinch. And then I don't think there's anything Friday, but Saturday the boys have basketball and hockey. So put this here. And I think I'm gonna put these $2 Tuesday and freebie Fridays up here. And then maybe like a cute collage of all these things. Let's see. Trying to decide if I want to put at the bottom a separate area where I can do like almost like a to-do list down here. Just kind of thinking maybe. Sometimes during the week there's things that I'm like, oh, I need to do this or that, but maybe I'm working and I want to try to schedule it for a day, like to make doctor's appointments or something, so I can just kind of make a list to squeeze into the rest of the day. Maybe I'll try to use this. Let's see. It's kind of perfect because it's really light, but I don't know if it's just too light. Okay guys, I think that's it. I'm super happy with how it turns out. It seems like it's kind of busy, but it'll be functional, and I like that it's still celebrating the summer with all the critters hanging out in the pool. So I thank you guys for joining me. I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye.